Amalia Prabowo, CEO of Getty Incubator, subsidiary of Dagang Group Indonesia. It is honor for me and all member of Dagang Group Indonesia to have an opportunity to share our thought and enthusiasm in encouraging China-ASEAN cooperation in building the digital Silk Road. I would like to express my appreciation to China ASEAN Information Harbor Co. Limited for this opportunity session at a remarkable conference. This opportunity showed the importance of Indonesia for China and the Southeast Asia region. This invitation also reflects a shared commitment to continue strengthening the strategic partnership between China and the Southeast Asia region. In this forum, we would like to invite all stakeholders involved in the acceleration of Indonesian SMEs to go global, to make change together, and leave behind conventional ways to encouraging Indonesian export. It's very important that we do this together. COVID-19 brings a terrible impact on the world economy, but on the other hand, this pandemic encouraged us to be more creative and quickly adapt to win back in 2021. Dagang Group Indonesia is the holding company of three pillars, which is Detalase to promote Indonesian products locally, AIXI that focuses on bringing the SMEs to the next level to export, and last but not least, Getty Incubator, a company that focuses on educating and produce as many young Indonesian generation who have digital marketing competencies. Our parent company, ATT Group, provides a one-stop total logistic solution globally. In the last 3 years, we have been committed to build a holistic ecosystem for the acceleration of Indonesian SMEs for export. Our ecosystem is built to answer the 5 biggest challenges of Indonesian SMEs for go global. The first, human resources capability. Second, access to the global market. Third, challenges in the production financing. Fourth, government policies for export. And the last, for logistics. With governments worldwide shutting stores and implementing lockdown to restrict social movement for months on end in a bid to combat the coronavirus, more and more people are changing the shopping behavior. In fact, market analysts say that the e-commerce industry will be the biggest beneficiaries of the coronavirus pandemic. Penetration rates, which are currently at 50%, are expected to increase to 25% by 2025, based on MarketWatch 2020. That marks a 67% increase in 5 years. Already, e-commerce giant Amazon Jeff Bezos has seen his fortune grow by nearly $24 billion to increase customer demand for Amazon products and services. U.S. International Trade Commission claimed that the global B2B opportunity is vast. B2B e-commerce is 6 times larger than B2C e-commerce globally. McKinsey survey found that 39% of manufacturers already have an e-commerce site. 29% of small businesses sell online, and 90% of B2B buyers use mobile to buy. According to data released by Alibaba.com, that shift happened at the age of buyers where 49% of global buyers are currently 18 to 34 years old. The biggest question is whether China and ASEAN countries are ready to adapt quickly both from the macro and micro sides to answer the opportunity created by this pandemic. With advance in technology and changing global customer behavior, no matter what e-commerce trends a country decided to adopt, we must work together to improve the shopping experience for global customers and building long-term relationship among China and ASEAN countries. These three actions should be done quickly. First, bilateral cooperation should be enhanced, especially in terms of access for Indonesia SMEs to gain global buyer. The second, bilateral cooperation in the exchange of knowledge, capacity building to develop productive and competitive ASEAN human resources also needs to be enhanced. Third, policies within the domestic scope in terms of financing and export regulations. The Indonesian government has implemented various policies and support to elevate Indonesian SME products to market at the global level. Also, empower the young generation with innovative digital-based education program. Indonesian SME are ready to enter global market. Ladies and gentlemen, we are waiting for your concrete cooperation from all of you. Thank you from Indonesia. God bless you.